Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming. I'm super excited. Before we get to the talks, how many of you are here for the first time? Oh, wow. A lot of people. Okay, great. So could we please applaud anyone who is here? Thanks for joining our community. Thank you. So some context for the people who are here for the first time. We are AIE.F, AI Engineer Foundation, and we are a chapter of one of the biggest AI communities in San Francisco. So my name is Yavor, and I'm the chapter lead. Our goal is to help Bulgaria grow and develop the AI potential. So we know there are many capable people here, but we don't gather, we don't talk to each other that much. So yeah, we have to exchange knowledge and experience. Yeah, this is for the newcomers. And this is a picture from our first event. I see there are more people today, so I'm quite happy. So the agenda for today, we've got 6 speakers. We are introducing our lightning talks, where some people from our community get in front of the audience and present something interesting, hopefully interesting. So we're going to have 6 speakers today, including myself. We're going to start with 3 talks, then we're going to have a small break so we can discuss some of the talks, and then we're going to have 3 more. And then we have 1 hour for some more networking. So I'm going to start with my talk. This is an AI-generated image. And does anyone know what this is actually? Yeah, so this doesn't look actually like a QR code, but it's a QR code. You can scan it if you don't believe me. Here's some more. All of them actually work and are real QR codes. So the story behind this, basically a guy last year found out that he can use some kind of a model and can generate such QR codes. So basically, they combine an image that is AI generated and a QR code, and it still preserves the QR code functionality. So today, I'm going to show you how you can generate such codes. And it's not too hard. It's pretty simple. So yep. So what you need, first you need a decent computer so you can run the model, or you can run it on a cloud, but for my workflow, I'm using my own computer. I'm using a MacBook Pro M2 Max, if someone's curious. It's good enough. It runs for like 15 seconds or something like this. We'll see how long it takes. Then you need Stable Diffusion Web UI. How many of you know what Stable Diffusion is? Okay, most of you, nice. So basically, Stable Diffusion is the best open source model tool for generating AI images. And Web UI is the browser user interface for Stable Diffusion, where you can play around with Stable Diffusion, experiment, and so on. Then you need ControlNet extension and model, which is the actual tool, the actual engine that will help us embed the QR code into the AI image. And then we need patience and a bit of luck, because we know that the generative models are non-deterministic, so we never know what's going to come. OK, so actually, my talk is going to be a live demo. So let's see how it goes. Usually, when it's a live demo, there's a 99% chance that something goes wrong, but we're hoping for that 1%. OK, so I have everything installed and everything set up, because it will take some time. Basically, this is how Web UI looks. This is the actual prompt that the AI is going to generate image about. We're going to generate a traditional village and some mountains. This below is the negative prompt, and these are things we don't want to see in our prompt. Now, you may ask, how have I come with this list? Basically, I have been experimenting, and I've been seeing such things, so I just listed them as things I don't want to see. So yeah, this is the prompt and negative prompt. Here below, we've got some settings, which are about the image generation, like resolution and some other stuff. We're not going to get into too much detail, as this is a lightning talk. The more interesting part is here, the ControlNet extension. This is, as I said, the actual engine that helps us embed the QR code into the AI image. And there are 3 parameters that are the most important about the actual outcome. So we've got control weight, which is the weight of the QR code that's gonna impact the actual outcome. So if we set this to 0, we are simply gonna get the actual image. And if we set it to the maximum value, we're probably gonna get a super basic QR code. So we want to play around with this. I found out that for this prompt, 1.8 works well. And then we got two more that are the starting control step and the ending control step. Now, image generation works in steps, and basically you need to specify which steps you would like to impact with the QR code. So I've set the range from 0 to 0.8, and this means in the first 80% of the steps, we're gonna combine the QR code with the image. And for the last 20%, we're not gonna affect the image with the actual QR code. So I have to drag and drop my QR code here. Okay. Let me just find it. Okay, this is gonna be a bit tough. Okay. Okay, we made it. So I'm gonna click generate now and see if it's gonna work. And it usually doesn't take a lot of time. Hope that this projector doesn't. Okay, it works well, and it should be scannable during the image process as well. It's scannable right now. Let's see, it's gonna be scannable at the end. It's going well for now. Does it work? Yeah. Yeah, it should be good now. And we got it. So yeah, the things you have to try adjusting are the prompt and the negative prompt. And if I change the prompt, it will probably break. It took me like probably 2 hours to make this combination. So that's why we're not doing it live. But if you want to play with it, it's pretty fun. And I don't know what you can use this for, but it's a weird flex. But yeah. If you follow this boy, he will teach you how to do this. There's a full guide. I've documented all the way with this working example, so you can copy all my work and use it as a starting point if you would like to experiment. So thank you, guys.